All right, this is C C C C CEO CTO CTech, and right now I'm going to log into my Debit AGM, which is my main um, server control panel. So you can see what they look like to what they look like to um, log into a server. Okay, this is like this is on basic. This is classic. What's classic look like? I don't think I can usually log out. Actually, I'm gonna change the view mode. Give me a second. Okay, let's just go to default. So on a server, let's go classic. It's pretty simple. When you log in, we're just going to do a basic um, after we, because you must do a reboot server to apply kernel updates and apply software updates. So that's what we're going to do today. So it's pretty simple. Once you log into your server, you see system reboot right here. So if you own a server, you can have you pretty much have server login credentials. So I'm gonna usually what I can do is pretty much you can just click right here on the yellow bar. If you just click there, and then it will say graceful server reboot. The warning: this will reboot your system. Do you want to proceed? Sometimes you got listeners. I mean, sometimes you got people using your servers, but sometimes you want to apply kernel updates. You want to apply updates to your server. So if you log in, you do have updates. There is really no good time to we do a graceful server reboot because it will boot people from this thing. Because mine's satellite streaming servers.net, so there really is no good time to do server reboots. So I usually do mine like late at night. Like my time is 12 a.m. and at night. So, but if they're listening in Germany, it could be during the day. So it's no really good time to reboot servers. So it's up to you. I mean, you could do it like early in the morning, but I have listeners that tune in for 1 week. So it's I have JJ Radio on it. So it depends when you want to do your server reboot. So no, all it is just a graceful server reboot. Okay, so we can click proceed. And then reboot now in progress. So actually the server is now rebooting. There's not much to it. So now if you try log in to our CentovaCast, you you probably can't. You can't because the server is now going to reboot. Because it's going to take too long. See, if it takes too long, it's not working because it's on the server. So your server is shutting down during the server reboot, so you can't really log in. Again, if you try to log into your, see, it's not working. It's shut down. So usually it only takes about like a few seconds to do a server reboot. We just give it a, so we're rebooting Satellite Stream servers. So that's what you see on my wallpaper screen. But we're just going to give it a few seconds until it reboots. Because it doesn't take very long to reboot. And as you know, as I refreshed it, load averages are now been reset. So the server has been reboot. So then we can log out of your server. So technically, if you own the server, you can actually log into any location. So you logged out your WHCBS. So now we have to log back into our main CentovaCast control panel. Okay, now we're just gonna see, like I'll say everything. So everything is currently offline. Okay, so we did a soft reboot. So what we're gonna do next is just start all the clients' radios back up again, and then we're just gonna push start stream, stop stream, suspend stream, unsuspend stream, or delete stream. We don't want to do anything. All we're going to do is we're going to start. So we see start 25 selected streams now. Yes, continue. Oh, okay. Could not start servers are running. Okay, so it just takes it a while to. So technically, we need to restart the streams. Sometimes you have to restart the streams, and sometimes you don't. But that's all good. I mean, if you don't have to start it, it pretty much won't really do anything. It just takes